in the weather sense, when you have a turning storm like that, it is a strengthening storm and a particularly strong storm, and that's what we saw today. It was moving right down North Territorial Drive in the northern part of Washtenaw County, and then we had to say, oh, wait a minute, now it's moving to the east-southeast. Oh, wait a minute, now it's moving southeast. So a right turning storm can be a strong one, and we can see the evidence.
Everybody's leaving, Mom. Whoa. Oh, I said everybody's leaving.
This is in Monroe County, of course, from the state police. They did say, oh, wow, you see some damage right there.
Here, let me show that picture of that house real quick. What often happens is, you notice the house is the corner of the roof line gone. And then the other section of the house is almost completely gone. The wind will work on those corners. And the high speed will work on those corners.
Wayne County is under a severe thunderstorm warning, Mom. Too bad we're underneath a tornado warning.
So that's why you can see such tremendous damage on this house. Only one portion of the house, or maybe this house, and then the house next to it has got nothing going on. Once those corners kind of get taken care of, so to speak, by the wind, that's when you see the extreme damage happen very, very quickly. We've all seen video of houses literally look like they're exploding with the tornado.
When did this hit in this area?
Stupid details.
This was the earlier part of the storm. You said this is your Hudson Mills?
This should be just after Hudson Mills, yeah, just after Dexter, so probably just after 5.
Yeah, 5:15.
Someone beat. They're picking up someone.
Different directions.
Yep.
Very strong indication of the rotation.
I can't get the lightning.
And again, you see the gentleman walking the driveway, that house barely touched. Now, in the bigger tornadoes, you can get suction vortices, which means maximum winds within inside the funnel itself. So there can be literally, and we see a tornado as a very violent storm, but there can be lulls and extremes within the funnel, and that's also, again, how you can get this variable damage at times. But yeah, obviously with the damage here, we're seeing the continuation of that tornado that moves through northern Washington.
Absolutely. As we're looking at this live video right here, we do want to tell you, Dave, maybe you can comment on this. From Ida Township in Monroe County, I guess there was a touchdown there as well. A couple of houses destroyed, but they at least are saying no injuries that they are aware of right now. As Steven said, we have no idea. We're looking at all of this damage in these neighborhoods, but we haven't gotten word of injuries. But you know, when homes are blown like that, you have no idea if families were in those homes or out of those homes.
Maybe something look very concerned looking down what you have here.
Yeah, we're zeroing in.
And they hit us.
That's how they do. That's
We're
what the
zeroing
guy
in on
said.
the storm with the indications that Carolyn is talking about here. We're looking at this part of Monroe County.
Everybody's leaving. Why aren't we leaving?
This is our signature indicating hail. That's what's going on. And the size of the hail has been varying, but it's all been about 1.5 inches in diameter or so.
Austin's dad just left in the service truck.
Now we're looking at the velocity here.
No, I mean, seriously, there's so much traffic leaving. No, their house is still there. I don't know what the hell Ty's talking about.
Is what we were seeing earlier. We've seen the damage from that particular storm. This is not quite as concerning to us, but there's still a tornado warning in this area. It's not to be taken lightly. And when we see this damage from the chopper, you notice, as Dave was saying, all the damage to the upper floors, the lowest levels are in the best shape. That's why that's where you want to go. You want to go to the lowest level. Anywhere you see
There's like 2 lightning spots I can't get from here.
Monroe County. All these areas are under a tornado warning, and you want to be in your safe place right now. As we continue to show amazingly slow movement to these storms, very often, particularly in March, these storms will rock through at 30, 40, even 45 miles.
Get in the closet where I have all the boxes. We'll be fine. I have bubble wrap in mine. We'll be fine. I got bubble wrap in mine.
I'm not sure exactly.
No, yours is not safer than back here.
I have bubble wrap.
I mean, this way it's going to hit your closet first, so
This is a
I'm trying to grab my PS3.
better than ours.
Clearly, there's significant damage here. And remember, the path of a tornado can be just amazingly capricious, how it will hit one area and then skip over and then hit another one.
It's like this on a
We're
water,
looking at a structure
throw a
here,
flat rock, it
suppose I should say the remnants of a structure. This is pure speculation. It looks to me
I've
that
only been
might
in
be
2 in my life. I
garage
don't
of some
remember one of
sort.
them.
I've almost had one. Darn
Yeah,
it.
it's
What wouldn't happen?
scary to have it at school, though.
No, it was actually pretty exciting. Don't know what you're talking about.
The main body of that particular house.
He was 5 years old at school and a tornado
Seems to be
going on.
in shape enough that we would hope and think that
It's just
everybody
some
is okay.
excitement.
We do not have any indication, by the way, as of
Especially when you're the one who finds the sky.
with these storms. We have reporters on the
I
ground
can't believe the
working to
teachers
get
didn't
that
know.
information, but as of now,
And they were checking papers.
Pictures. This is Dexter.
Oh, nobody looked out the window.
No, because I was up roaming the room.
Trees there, the way they
That's
are
the time
planted,
before
the
when we were adjusting.
Not that we need any more
Yeah, they
evidence
let
there
you
was
walk
a tornado.
around.
We know there was a tornado here. You can see for yourself the damage, the amazing damage to yet another home here from the tornado that went through
Look at
shortly
that, they got lime
after
green in
5
there.
o'clock in the Dexter
Like their
area.
dining room.
And now here we are more than 2 hours later, the same storm affecting Monroe County right now.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
the pictures are great. I do want to let you know, though, we have active situations still in a couple other spots. And so here we zoomed in, kind of giving you your bearings here. Here's Lapeer, and Imlay City Road is running through Lapeer there. And we do have a tornado warning still going on in this region. Five Lakes is up here in the top part of your screen there.
It
We'll
said
slide down a little bit
7:35
farther, and you can
for
see, for example,
7:35?
Something like that.
this is the northwest corner now of Lapeer
I said
County, and we want to let everybody know
Everybody's leaving.
we still have an issue,
Flying out of
with
here.
what's
Yeah.
going on. We're looking at the southwest.
There's like
corner of
80
this
billion people
storm,
that left.
which is this area here, just to the north
Oh,
of
Ray said
Lapeer
it's not gonna happen.
on the M24 there, and it's going to be drifting most likely very little, as we've seen from these storms. I want to widen out a little bit and show you this is where
Lightning.
off the radar,
Our
so you
luck
can
will
see
run
that
out
the
one day,
red
I guess.
area here.
It's starting to really lighten.
Warning still
Yeah, it's
from
'cause it's getting
Lapeer,
closer.
up to the north here, and so it goes till 7:30. Including Deerfield.
Nah, I
Marathon,
got cigarettes. I'm fine.
So this is
Sound like Kyle.
starting to see the damage come in, but we still have an active storm
They didn't say
situation.
anything about it in
And
the
now
power
what's
hour,
going
no.
on with this? We'll put the radar back
Not
on,
yet.
and you'll be able to see again where that lies on top of that red area. So it is just north of Lapeer up to Marathon, up toward North Branch.
There's like no one on the expressway.
And there's the new path of the radar, and you can still see certainly some development there.
Now, Dave, let me ask you a
Usually
quick question,
truckers will
because
stop
I know
there.
this storm is still...
Help my dad. Oh, my dad's off work right now.
Warnings going until 7:45, but from what you